Here we will see how we can generate a simple game using only Copilot. There is no hands-on coding. So here we give ng my app for Angular app. Here we give routing no and CSS and wait for installation and then open that code in my VS Code. So we need to give this command and after that we can give code dot. Then it will directly open in VS Code. It's loading. Yeah, now it's open. Here we can see that all the files like app components, .html, CSS, and TS file. Then first let's run that it's working or not. So we need to give ng serve hyphen hyphen. Then we'll host on localhost. Let me clear this first. Okay. And here is the okay, let me show you first. First, I will publish my branch. If you saw in the bottom, it shows like master branch is there. So I will use publish my branch. Here, if you saw bottom, it shows like publish. Now it's publish. Okay. Mm, yeah, now let me open the Copilot. Here first we need to select that file for edit. Here I added app component.html, then we will add CSS and as well as TS file for workspace. In Copilot you will see in the below it shows agent and GPT-4. You supposed to select agent. Then you can give your prompt like what you need to generate. So here we will go to generate a Tic Tac game. So we need to give that prompt like can you generate a code for a game? So Tic Tac Toe. I think spelling is wrong for toy. Okay. Then where add two players. Okay. Let me give that prompt first. Here we are creating a game Tic Tac Toe where two players can play with each other and we add two buttons. One button is for reset and other button is for rematch to play with the same player. And we will add like it will show a score for the both the players if we playing with each other. And we will add like we can add players name also for two players. And then we need to add a start button to start the game in initial time. And then we will add some background color. And if a player win, then we will add some celebration and update that count which player wins the game. So here I'm giving that prompt for the you can give like anything. You can create any type of game. Just you know to give that prompt properly. I created one simple game. Here, no need to add any backend or anything. Just you need to give a simple prompt. It will automatically generate that game. Here, we will add a cheerful background color for if a player win. Okay, now it's generating. It will take some time. Look at that file, it will automatically add all the code in the files. No need to add anything. Here, if you say it shows read, first it will read and then it will edit that line in your components. Now it's editing your components. First, it will add logic. Then here, if you see on the Copilot, it shows app.copilot.ts. It means it's working on this file. Now it's working on HTML file. First, it will work on logic file. Then it will work on view file. And in the last, it will work on the CSS file to update the CSS. You can see on the Explorer, it shows updating all the file. You need to just click on keep. It will keep all the changes. Okay, now here it shows one error. You need to copy this error and paste it inside that Copilot. It will automatically edit the changes where we need to change. That error is coming for module. We didn't register that module inside that app.module folder. Now it's editing app.module.ts file and that error will be fixed. Okay, we need to click on keep. Now if we check that, yeah, now it's coming. We need to enter player's name, like, yeah, give some random name and start the game. Yeah, now it will show like this. First player, second, and here. First player is win. There are two buttons are there, rematch and for new match. Here we checking with rematch. Okay. Now second player won. We can try that play with new player also. Here you need to again pass the name of players like me and you are playing. Yeah. Now it's my turn. Okay, so it will work like this. Now I want to change background after winning the player. So we can do after winning, we can change that background color some. It will automatically change, or you can give some color. It will make on that color only. Let's check with what color it will add. Now it's editing.css file. It will show like which file he is editing here. First it's edited CSS file, then it's edited HTML file. Yeah, now you need to create on keep. Okay, let's try one more time. Me and you start the match. My turn, your turn, my turn, and your turn, and my turn. Okay, now background colors changed. So let me show you like how we can publish this game and send this link for other players to play with you. First we need to commit our changes. Okay, first we need to stage our changes. Stage means what we make changes. First we need to make stage. You can directly click on that and it will push your code on GitHub. So it's take some time and you can directly ask for Copilot like how we can publish our code in GitHub and send that link to someone for play that game. Here we are giving some prompt like it will tell how you can post that link or send that link to someone. Just you need to add that prompt and it will automatically generate. You did not need to do any manual work. It will show like step by step. Now it will show steps. 3-4 steps are there. First you need to run that ng build command to build that dist file to publish on GitHub. So let me scroll up little bit. Yeah, this is the command. If you do not want to run by yourself, you just pass inside the Copilot. It will automatically run that command for you in CMD. Let me show you. Yeah, here you need, it will automatically run that command. Just it will ask for you want to run that. You need to give that S. Yeah, you need to give continue. It will automatically open that terminal and run this command in that terminal. Here it will run. Yeah, you can see here it's open a stash of Copilot here in your terminal. It takes some time to build that. You can read here. Okay, it takes some time to build that. Let's wait for that. After completing this command, it's asking like if you want to further, it will do that in behalf of you. Here you can check that dist file is there. For next step, you can just give like next. It will show you the next step to you. Yeah, from here you can copy that command, or you can do the same thing like you run that production command is there now. You can use in same way. Just you need to give the prompt. Here, can you run the deploy? Okay, it will work on that. Yeah. Just you need to click on continue. It will automatically run that command. Here, if you see in the terminal, it's running that command in your terminal. Copying file, adding. Yeah, now it's so successfully published via Angular CLI GH pages. So you need to go to your repository, and if it is not showing, just refresh the page. Yeah, now it's showing my game. Just you need to click on that, and I think we need to go inside settings. Click on setting. Here, if you saw on the left side, there are the option of pages. You need to click on that pages. Here is so deploy from a branch. Here it shows like this GitHub action and deploy from a branch. And here is so GH pages. You, you can select any one branch. So I will show you using master branch. Here in custom domain name, if you have any domain, you can pass or you can create a custom domain name. Here I will deploy from the branch. Okay. So here I will go. Yeah, I will change this from GH pages to master. You can do it from GH pages also. Here I will pass uh, custom name. Let me change my game. Okay, and save it. Here your site, you can visit on that site. Here it shows. You need to click on that. It will open automatically. Yeah, now it shows like this. Just you need to copy this and share to anyone that will also play this game. You can check in different tabs or you can check in different browsers. Here it's running on localhost. Here this is running on your through your link, and you can check on that on this Edge browser also. Just paste that and it will show the game. How it's working. Me and you, and just click on start the game. Like this, you can create many others game using this. No need to learn all the things, just you need to prompting like and some basic knowledge of Angular. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.